How to read aloud to ChatGPT 5.6 for free. ChatGPT 5.6 can read responses aloud for free. Here's how to set it up on mobile and desktop. So first, make sure to download the mobile app if you're using the mobile version of ChatGPT. Download the ChatGPT app from iOS or Android, sign in with your free OpenAI account, and then tap the headphone icon to enable voice mode. Choose a voice like Alloy, Breeze, or Ember. ChatGPT will now reply aloud. Through desktop browser setup, what you can do is to open up ChatGPT, head over into the conversation where you want ChatGPT to read aloud a response that he or she has for you. So for example, I want ChatGPT to read aloud this specific response. I'll simply click on this More Actions button at the bottom of the response and click on Read Aloud. And that is how to read aloud to ChatGPT 5.6 for free.